In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Google Docs. If you're creating a handout, a header-only document, or you simply want a different look that improves readability and matches your style, changing the background is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it and share a few tips so you get a clean, professional result. Start by opening the Google Docs document you want to adjust. This can be a brand new file or an existing one with text, images, or tables. Make sure you're in editing mode so your changes will save. At the top left corner of the screen, click File. A long menu will appear. Near the bottom of that menu, choose Page Setup. This is where Google Docs keeps document-wide settings like orientation, margins, paper size, and the background we're about to change. When the Page Setup window opens, look for the option labeled Page Color. You'll see a small colored circle next to it. Click that circle to open the color picker. Don't worry if you don't see a preview yet. This is just where you select the shade you want. Remember, page color applies to the entire document, so think about how it will look across all your pages. Now choose your background. You can pick from the preset palette for quick, consistent results. Lighter tints often work best for long-form reading because they keep contrast high and eyes comfortable. If you want an exact match for branding or a specific design, click Custom, indicated by a plus sign. There, you can enter a hex code or RGB values to dial in a precise tone. If you're working with dark text, which most documents use, avoid very dark backgrounds that reduce legibility. Conversely, if you have light-colored text, be sure the background is sufficiently dark. Subtle, muted colors tend to print and share more cleanly than saturated neon shades. Once you've selected your color, click OK. Your document background will update instantly, and the change applies to every page in the file. If you decide it's too strong, you can return to Page Setup and choose a lighter tint or switch back to white using the same steps. Keep in mind that some printers or PDF exports may not include background colors by default, so if you need hard copies that reflect your choice, verify print settings later. That's it. Open your document, go to File, Page Setup, choose Page Color, and click OK. With just a few clicks, your document takes on a new look that's clearer, more on-brand, and easier to read.